In this video, we will learn how to install Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 on Windows 11. With that, we will also create a sample project. Let us start. At first, go to the web browser. On Google, type Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 and press enter. Now the official website is visible, visualstudio.microsoft.com. Click on it. Okay. From here you can directly go to downloads. And now three versions are visible: Community, Professional and Enterprise. We will download the Community edition, which is free. If you want a comparison of all three, you can click compare editions. Okay, I'll click free download. Now it will download. Here it is. Downloaded. Right click the exe file and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Click continue. Now let's wait, it will download. Now the workloads are visible. Okay, we will click on .NET Desktop Development. Now this will install the required tools including the framework, IntelliCode, Just-in-Time Debugger, also Blend for Visual Studio and GitHub Copilot. Okay, it will get installed in the following location: under C drive, and it will take 7.69 GB. I'll click install. You should have a good internet connection for this. It will also install while downloading. Click install. Now the installation started, and after installing it will start. Let's wait. We have downloaded. Now it will install the packages here. Let's wait. We have installed it. It's written all installations are up to date. Now let us click launch. I'll minimize this. You can create an account, but I'll just skip this for now. Now select the development settings. If you want a specific technology, you can select, but if you're not sure, keep it journal. I'll keep it journal only. Select the theme. I'll keep it the default. You can also select blue or others, but I'll keep the dark. Click Start Visual Studio. Now click Continue without code here. We opened Visual Studio for the first time. Now let us create a new project. You can close this from here. Go to File, click New. From here select Project. We will now create a new console application. So I'll just type console here. And let's see the options. Here it is, console app.NET framework. Click here and click next. Now at the name of the console app, I'll mention Amit console app. The location is the following of your project. Rest keep as it is and click create. This will create our project. Okay, here is the default code. I'll just increase the font from here. Select 200%. Okay. These are the packages. Namespace is a collection of classes. Here we have a single class by default. This is like the public static void main of Java. Main is the entry function. Now let us print something. So to print something in C#, I'll write console dot write line, and within this I'll write something. Whatever I'll add in this will get printed. I'm adding my name. After that I need to also add console dot read key. Now what is console dot read key? It is a method that waits for the user to press a key. This is fine now. First I'll go to File, and save all. Now I'll go to build and select build solution. First let us build and see if everything is working fine. Okay, one succeeded. Now you can go to here and click start. This will run the program and it should print Amit Diwan here. It printed Amit Diwan. So we successfully printed Amit Diwan. For a free C# and Visual Studio tutorial, refer the links in the description of the video.